Dear students, in this session we are going to discuss about NTSE 2019 physics question paper with solutions. In our previous video, we discussed about 1 to 8 questions of previous year physics question paper of NTSE 2019 exam. But in this video, we will discuss about remaining questions. It is given that AB is a rod and current is passing through this rod and magnetic field is surrounded by the rod, and it is as shown in figure. Into marks explains that magnetic field is into the paper. In this photo, into marks indicates that it is the direction of magnetic field and it is into the page. Right hand thumb rule helps in solving this problem. It states that if thumb shows the direction of current, then the direction of rotation of our fingers shows the direction of magnetic field. Using this rule, we can say that the end A of the rod becomes positively charged. So the third option is correct. Here another problem. A person fired a gun standing at a distance of 55 meters from a wall. If the speed of sound is 330 meters per second, then the time of an echo heard is. So we have to solve this problem. Here we can see the problem, and here is one person and he fired one bullet from the gun and it passing through the air and hit the wall. So the sound wave coming from this point and traveling through this air and hit the wall and come back again. This is called echo. So the distance traveled by the sound wave is from this point to this point, it is 55 meters, and from this point to this point again 55 meters. So why? Because the distance between person and wall is given as 55 meters. So distance traveled by the sound wave is equal 55 into 2 meters is equal to 110 meters. And here it is given that speed of sound wave is equal to 330 meters per second. So S is equal to 330 meters per second. We have the formula that speed is equal to distance by time, and here we have distance and speed and we have to calculate the time. So from this formula we can write time is equal to distance by speed. So it is equal, distance is 110 meters divided by speed means 330 meters per second. So this 0 and 0 is cancelled and it is equal to 111, 3 11s, 1 by 3 is equal to 0.3. Time, it is time, so the units of time are seconds. So the answer is 0.3 seconds. So the answer is option 1. Let's see the another problem, that is the radius of curvature of a plano-convex lens which has 2 refractive index is 20 centimeters. By applying silver bromide on its surface to change it as a concave mirror, what is the focal length of the formed mirror? So it is the problem. So let's take the solution. Let's go into the solution. That is the radius of curvature of a plano-convex lens which has 2 refractive index. So the given refractive index n is equal to 2 is 20 centimeters. That means the radius of curvature of a plano-convex lens. So this is plane surface. So the radius of curvature of this plane surface is taken as r1 and the radius of curvature of this convex surface is taken as r2. So the given r2 is r1 is equal to infinity. Why? Because this plane surface, the radius of curvature of plane surface is infinity, we already know that. Then and given refractive index, radius of curvature of a plano-convex lens, that means the second surface radius of curvature given r2 is equal 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters. So r1 is equal to infinity and r2 is equal 20 centimeters. And let this r2 is taken as negative. Why? Because light is coming from this way, so we have to consider the length, that means from the pole. So we have to consider the length from the pole of the lens, that means in this way. So light in this way and we have to consider the length in this way. So these two are opposite to one another opposite to each other, so R2 is taken as minus. So we have length maker formula, that is 1 by f is equal to n minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2, and 1 by f is equal to n minus 1 means 2 minus 1 into 1 by r1 means 1 by infinity minus 1 by r2 means 1 by 20. So r2 is negative, so we have to take as plus. So it is equal to 1 into 1 by infinity means 0 plus 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by 20. So we have 1 by f is equal to 1 by 20 and plus f is equal to 20 centimeters. Coming to the next problem, this is identify the following colors in the ascending orders of their frequencies, and the colors are red, blue, yellow, green. Let's watch it carefully. So the frequency in increasing order is red, yellow, green, blue. So frequency is increased when we are going from red, yellow, green, blue. So the ascending order of their frequency is red, yellow, green, blue. And upon observing this, as wavelength is inversely proportional to frequency, so this is in increasing order and this is in decreasing order. So decreasing order of wavelength is red, yellow, green, blue, and increasing order of frequency is red, yellow, green, blue. So we have to observe these two topics separately. So on watching this problem, we have to get the relation between frequency and wavelength. That means frequency is inversely proportional to wavelength, and when the question is like this, that means increasing order of frequencies, if the four colors are given, that is red, yellow, green, blue colors, then the increasing order of frequencies are red, yellow, green, blue. And in the same way, increasing order of frequency means these are also decreasing order of wavelengths. So decreasing order of wavelengths is also in the order of red, yellow, green, blue. So the correct option is 4. When coming to the last question of the physics paper, in this problem it is given that a point object is placed at a distance of 10 cm and its real image is formed at a distance of 20 cm from a concave mirror. When the object is moved by 0.1 cm towards the mirror, then the image will be moved by about. So this is concave mirror, and this is the pole of concave mirror, and the object is placed at 10 cm from the concave mirror. So this is the object, and the distance between this object and the concave mirror is 10 centimeters, and then we get the real image of this particular object from 20 centimeter from the concave mirror. So the image is formed at here. So the image distance is 20 centimeter. Image distance is 20 centimeter, and it is a real image. That means real image means the image caught on the screen. If the image is caught on the screen, then that image is called real image. So the direction of light is in this direction. Light direction is here. Light direction of light is like this, but all the distances should be measured from pole. So distances should be measured like this. Distances should be measured from in this direction. All the distances should be measured from pole. So distances should be measured from this direction, from this point to in this way. So all the distances should be measured in this direction. So both the directions are opposite. So we have to take the initial object distance, and image distance should be negative. That means u is equal to minus 10 centimeter and v is equal to minus 20 centimeters. Here we have to find out focal length, and we have the mirror formula, that is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So here 1 by v means minus 1 by 20 minus 1 by 10. So LCM is 20, here minus 1, here minus 2 is equal minus 3 by 20. This is the 1 by f value. So by obtaining this value, in the problem it is also given that when the object is moved by 0.1 centimeter towards the mirror, that means here this object is moved 0.1 centimeter towards the mirror, that means 0.1 centimeter moved. So now the distance between this object and the concave mirror, what happens? So the total distance is 10 centimeter and 0.1 centimeter is moved towards the mirror. So the net distance between this object and the concave mirror is 10 minus 0.1 centimeter. So this is 9.9 centimeter. So this is 9.9 centimeter. So in this case, object distance is equal to minus 9.9 centimeter, and image distance we have to find out, and we have already the value of 1 by f. Here we have mirror formula, that is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. That means we have to find the value of v. So implies 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. So is equal to 1 by f means minus 3 by 20 minus 1 by u means 1 by 9.9, and 9.9 has minus sign, so negative sign, so this is positive. So on simplifying this, we have 1 by 9.9 minus 3 by 20, and this is equal to LCM is 198, and this is 20 minus 29.7 is equal to minus 9.7 divided by 198, and it can also be written as 1980. That means v is equal 1980 divided by 97 with the negative sign. So upon simplifying this, we get the value of minus 20.4 centimeters. So the value of v is minus 20.4 centimeters. First, the image is formed at 20 centimeter when the object is placed at 10 centimeter. Then after that, if the object is moved 0.1 centimeter towards the mirror, then the image is formed at 20.4 centimeter. That means here 0.4 centimeter away from the mirror, that means total is 20.4 centimeter. That means here is 20 centimeter. So 0.4 centimeter away from the mirror, the net image is formed. This image is formed at 20.4 centimeter. That means 0.4 centimeter away from the mirror. So the option 1 is correct, that is 0.1 centimeter away from the mirror.